How to fix call ended problem on iPhone. If you're facing the call ended issue or calls disconnecting unexpectedly on your iPhone, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix this problem for good. Let's get started. First things first, the most common cause for the call ended issue is a poor network connection. If your signal is weak or unstable, your calls might disconnect. Here's what you can do. Check the signal strength by looking at the signal bars at the top of your screen. As you can see here, now try switching to a different location if you're in an area with weak signal, like moving closer to a window or outside. If you have low signal, your call may drop. Consider toggling airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. Sometimes toggling airplane mode can fix temporary network glitches. Just do that. You can do that by simply swiping down from the top right corner to open the control center, and just tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on, and then wait a few seconds, then turn it off again and see if your call connectivity improves. This will reset your network connection and might help resolve the call ended issue. Sometimes simply restarting your iPhone can clear out minor software glitches that might be causing the problem. Just press and hold the power button, and the when the slide to power off your iPhone comes, just do that and wait a few seconds and turn your iPhone again. Outdated software can cause sometimes issues with calls. Let's just update it. Go to settings and go back to general and tap on software update, and if there's an update available, just download and install it. If the issue still isn't fixed, try resetting your network settings. Go back to general, scroll down and tap on reset iPhone, and simply click on reset. Tap on reset network settings and confirm. This will clear any network related issues that might be causing your calls to drop. And that's it. These are some of the ways from which you can simply fix call ended problem on your iPhone.